You ever had the situation where your spidey sense went off that your spouse was cheating on you? You had no proof, but it was just your spidey sense. You just kind of knew something was off. And when you asked them about it, they said no. They looked you right in the eye and said, no, I'm not cheating on you. And then maybe you come upon a flirty text that they sent to this person, and it starts to confirm your suspicions that something's going on. So you go back and talk to them, and you ask them, listen, is something going on with you and Jack? And they say, no, there's nothing going on. Well, this becomes unnerving because, one, your spidey sense is going off. It's like your smoke detector in your home. It doesn't go off for no reason. So your spidey sense is going off, and you have something that shows that possibly there's flirting and something else going on. And then your spouse looking you right in the eye and saying no twice. So maybe you show them the text, and say, what is this? And they just say, oh, it's just nothing. We're talking. It's the way we talk at work. And you just can't quite buy that. There's something going on. So you press further, and guess what happens when you press further? Then they push back and they start getting antagonistic and angry at you. Let's be clear on one thing. When your spidey sense is going off, it's registering for some reason, just like your smoke detector. And where there's smoke, there's fire. And when your partner starts to push back like that, that shows that they're trying to defend something. They're trying to keep you away from going in the kitchen. The problem with this whole scenario is that you're never going to be able to sleep. Your mind's going to be constantly spinning about it because you do not have a resolution. You do not have an answer to the question, is there or is there not cheating going on in your marriage? Well, what happens next is actually a lot of fighting, and then somebody's temper raises, maybe your temper raises, and they finally blurt out and say, okay, fine, I cheated. Well, it's good that you got to the truth of things, but now you have 3 problems, and those problems are this. 1, your spouse cheated on you. 2, they lied to you about that. And 3, you're not so sure if you have the whole truth about it right now. Well, I've been working with individuals and couples for over 40 years, and I can assure you that you don't have the whole truth yet. And they're going to be slow as molasses to tell you all of that to you. And when they're slow to tell you the whole truth, it's because they have fears and insecurities of how you'll react to them. You absolutely must get the truth of things. All of the truth. It has to be completely transparent and clear what happens so you have that out on the table. It's really simple. If you don't have truth and transparency, your relationship is fractured and you'll not be able to move on from here. In my 40 years of experience in working with couples, getting the truth from your partner is often the most difficult part of handling your relationship. Now, if you need help with that, I have a VIP couples coaching program you can look into. You can go to my bio, check it out. If you want to work with me, apply, fill out the application, and I'll get back to you, and we can work together to get this sorted out. All right. Have a great day.